Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the G4 notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the G4 notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery, wireless module, hard disk drive, optical drive, keyboard, top cover, and USB board. Removal. Note: under warranty, the display assembly is replaced as a whole unit. For out-of-warranty purposes, the individual internal components can be replaced to reduce customer repair costs. Remove the wireless antenna cables from the cutout in the base enclosure and the routing channel on the base enclosure. Important: make careful note of the routing of all cables for later replacement. Using the Mylar tab, disconnect the display panel cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the display panel cable from its routing channel on the base enclosure. While supporting the display assembly, remove the four 5mm P1 Phillips head screws from the display hinges that secure the display assembly to the base enclosure. Lift up and remove the display assembly. Replacement. Align the display assembly hinges over the screw holes and guide tabs in the base enclosure and lower the display assembly into position. While supporting the display assembly, replace the four 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the display hinges to the base enclosure. Route the display panel cable through its routing channel on the base enclosure. Using the Mylar tab, connect the display panel cable into its connector on the system board. Route the wireless antenna cables through their routing channel on the base enclosure and the cutout in the base enclosure.